Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in the color matte black. Alright, let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Okay. Inside each box, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. But first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we'll remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingertips, and then just push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy, just like that. These plates are interchangeable, so if you get tired of the color or you simply just want to change it, you can purchase these online and then just pop them on nice and easy, just like that. And then remove the old plate exactly how I showed you. Also, these modules are interchangeable, so if you find out later that you need an intermediate, because you need to control your light from 3 separate locations, you can pop this one out, put the SS9 in, or the intermediate, sorry, wire it up, put your same faceplate back on, or a different color, and then you're good to go. At the side here are the screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Flipping it on over, you'll notice that it has the BS, or the British standards, at the top there. And that just means that it's gone through a bunch of testing to make sure that it's safe for operation in the UK. Okay, has 3 terminal hole screws on the back here. So this is a 2-gang 2-way light switch. So you can control your lights from 2 separate locations with this guy. All right, let's pop the plate back on. That. And then I'll show you the instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. On the one side, we have a whole bunch of different social media platforms. If you head on over to any one of these, give us a like or a follow. That'd be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. And finally, in the bottom right-hand corner here, you have the Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. And finally, let's just take a look at the bag that it comes in. On the back, at the bottom here, is our SKU code, the ART-SS2 for the 2-way, and MBK for matte black. On the center here is our barcode, and in the top left-hand corner, we have another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of product there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice a recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here, so you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.